Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create free Apple ID without credit card on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and now you want to create a free Apple ID without your credit card or debit card, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings, and here you have to make sure that you are connected to internet, and then you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So after doing that, you just have to tap on this Apple account option, and then you just have to select don't have an Apple account, and from here you have to select your age range, and once you have selected, here you just have to enter your first name. Here you just have to enter your name, and once you have entered, you have to add your date of birth from here, as I'm going to enter mine. So once you have entered, you just have to tap on next, and here you have to enter your email address. Once you have entered your Gmail account, you just have to tap on the continue option, and here you have to create a new Apple account password. And once you have entered your password, you just have to select the continue option here, and here, and once you have verified your password, if you are getting the option of weak password or the error, so you just have to try to create a strongest password, and once you have done, you will get this type screen. Here you have to verify your phone number. Once you have entered your phone number, you just have to select the text message or phone call in which way you want to verify. I'm going to select text message, then tap on the continue option. Now wait for the text message you want. Once you get your code, you just have to enter that, and here you just have to select the agree option. Here these are the terms and conditions, and once you have agreed on the terms and conditions, your account will be ready. Now you just have to select the option from here. You can see the previous data will be removed. If you have any other account on your phone, so that will be removed, or you can get more options from here. You just have to select the continue option from here, and then you have to enter your iPhone passcode here. Just enter your iPhone passcode and it will remove all of your previous data of your iCloud. And here your account is ready. So in this way, you can easily create a new and free Apple account without your credit card or debit card. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.